Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Radhika Verma. I study in class 30. Today is activity first chapter, Poonam's Day Out. Thumb painting. Tiger, rat, pig, cat, bird, spider. Chapter number 2, the plant chain. The different types of trees and plants. Mango plant, guava plant, mango tree, guava tree, pan plant, champa tree, rose plant, mango tree, granate tree, banana tree. Chapter number 3, Bottle of Water.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arav. I study in class 30. My English teacher name is Mrs. Pankakala, ma'am. Under KBS. This is EVS activity. This is Mask of Tiger. This painting is Earth Day. This is patterns. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arav. I study in class 30. My English teacher name is Mrs. Pankakala, ma'am. I am presenting activities done by me under KBS. Thumb painting. This is a fish, this is a scrap, this is a turtle. Making fish with dry leaves. This is rubbing. This is rubbing trunk of the tree. This is rubbing of 2 leaves. This is animal. Lemon leaf, guava leaf, plum leaf, mango leaf, curry patta, neem, apple tree, nut-like, poplar, different type of leaf, apple tree, nut leaf, poplar, heart seeds, birch, chestnut, elm, ash tree, round, loaded, hard, round. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arav. I study in class 30. My English teacher name is Mrs. Pankakala, ma'am. Chapter name, Food We Eat. I am presenting activities done by me under KBS. Famous food with states. राजस्थान, दाल बाटी चूरमा. दिल्ली, छोले भटूरे. लखनऊ, सीख कबाब. Sikkim, momos. Bengal, rasgulle. Maharashtra, pav bhaji. Food activity: pulses, wheat, soybean, rice, black gram. Wheat items: paratha, sevaiya. Rice items: poha, pulao. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Arun. I study in class 3. My English teacher name is Mrs. Priyanka Kala ma'am. Today I am presenting activities done by me under KVS. This is my family. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my sister. And this is me. This is my family tree. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my sister. This is me. Chotu's house. School, area, mother, kitchen, bedroom, father, bathroom, brother, resting room, D4, sister, study room, grandparents, garden, me, dusting small things.
Study. Grandparents yoga. Me, study room. Chapter 6 food we eat. Different type of food. Uttarakhand, Kasri. Gujarat, Dhokla. Bihar, Little Chokha. Rajasthan, Dal, Bati Churma. Delhi, Chole Bhature. Maharashtra, Vada Pav. In chapter the plant the different type of tree. Papaya tree, beer tree, date tree, lemon tree, blackberry tree, guava tree. Chapter 6 food we eat. Previous food activity: wheat, milk, rice, barley, maize, pulse. Good morning everyone. My name is Anushka Sharma. I study in class 3rd B. My class teacher name is Mrs. Priyanka Kala ma'am. Not the tap, why do you eat? Not the tap, why wash the clothes? Prepare the Indian map. I study in class 3rd B. My class teacher name is Mrs. Priyanka Kala ma'am. My school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Urki. Today is activity thumbprint activity. Chapter 1 Poonam's Day Out. Thumbprint activity: cat, elephant, turtle, butterfly, parrot, horse, bee, peacock. Second chapter, the plant fairy rubbing leaves. Rubbing leaves. leaves. Third chapter, water of water. Save water, save life. Fourth chapter, our first school. It's me. She is my mother. He is my father. She is my sister. She is my grandmother. My family tree. It's me. She is my sister. He is my father. She is my mother. Chapter Chotu's house. Activity book. All help to keep your house clean. Work area. Mother, kitchen, bedroom, living room. Father, study and nursery bedroom. Brother, living room, study room. Sister, study. Grandparents, yoga. Me, study room. Chapter 6, food we eat.
I am in class 3rd B. My EVS subject teacher name is Miss Prinka Kala Ma'am. My school name is KP number 1 Roorkee. Today I am going to present you EVS activity chapter 6 food we eat. This is Kashmir, this is Punjab, this is Uttarakhand, Delhi, this is Uttar Pradesh, this is Bihar, Maharashtra. This is rice, harad dal, this is maize, this is barley, this is old. Thank you. My school name is number 1. I am in class 3rd B. My class teacher name is Mrs. Prinka Kala Ma'am. Salad activity. Lemon, cucumber, tomato, chini, onion, tomato. Fruit activity. Banana, mango, guava, tomato. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. My name is Fari. My school name is number 1 in the community. I stay in class 3rd B. My class teacher name is Mrs. Prinka Kala Ma'am. I am going ES activity. Chapter Poonam Day Out. Elephant, fish, crocodile. Chapter The Plant Fairy. Neem, सरसों, गेहूं, बनाना। चैप्टर छोटू हाउस। Chapter water, oh water. Blazer, river, rain, chapter our first school. Father, mother, sister, brother. Chapter Chotu's house. Cooking, washing, cleaning, drinking, playing, building, timber, thumb. Thank you. Save earth.
chapter, our first school. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is my father. This is my mother. This is me. This is my family activity. This is my EVS activity 2 area. Mother, kitchen, bedroom, kitchen, all parts of house. Father, bedroom. Brother, bathroom. Sister, dining room. Grandparents, necessary. Me, study room. My EVS teacher name is Mrs. Priyanka Kala ma'am. Today I present EVS activity. First is our family. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is my father. This is my mother, and this is me.